my case for this.
What's up YouTube? It's Gapster. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing haul. We will be doing an unboxing haul for my business, Lady Amore Beauty. We are set to launch July the 1st. So some of this stuff I already had, but some of the stuff just came in the mail. So we're gonna start off with our oil. Right now I do only have one oil that I used in my lip gloss right now, but I do want to add vitamin E oil and grapeseed oil. So right now I do only have the coconut oil, and this oil is by Now Solutions. This, I know this brand, I mostly see a lot of people use this brand. The other brand that I had at first that I tried off of Amazon, I didn't like it. So I did decide to try this brand because I did see what a lot of people using this brand. And this brand do work for me also. So the next thing I have is some flavor oils. The flavor oils that I chose to use are the ones by Lauren. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But right now I only have one lip gloss that has a flavor to it, and that's our strawberry kiwi gloss. So this is how they look. And most of this stuff I got off of Amazon. So this is how they look. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. But most of this stuff I got off of Amazon. So the one that's, used the most, of course, is the strawberry kiwi. Because that's the only one that we have a flavor for right now. I did try out the tropical punch, which is this one that has a color to it. I tried this out just making a random gloss just to practice so I could have some content for my page. And that pack came with 5 in it, I believe. Yeah, it was 5. So the next thing we do have are our tubes. I do have my tubes in these bags because I did already wash them. So we have one bag is 20. I believe these are the 15 milliliters. I will have 2 options as far as my squeeze tubes. We have a 15 milliliter right here, and then we also have 10 milliliter, and we also will have our wand tubes also. And so these are it. These are her tubes. And I did get my wand tubes in the mail a couple days ago. The first tubes that I did have, I just used those for test tubes. Those tubes were from Amazon.com, and that was like, I believe 10 that came in there for maybe $12 or $13. I'm also going to show y'all the tubes that I'm going to have for sale also. Here's one more oil. This pineapple, it fell out the bag. Okay, so the next thing are our bubble melters. So I do have hot pink right now, but I am gonna go to light pink because that's more close to the colors of my, my theme for my store. But right now I do have hot pink. These are the 4x8, I believe. If they're not the 4x8, they're the 4x6 off of Amazon. But I will be switching to the light pink because my organza bags are going to be light pink, and that color I just feel, matches better to my brand. So I'm going to go with these in the 4x6, and I'm going to also get one more size, and I believe that size is going to be the, I think 6x10. Yeah, I want to have 2 sizes of a 6x10, and I believe the 4x8. So, So those are our bubble mailers, and of course the bubble mailers, they do come with the bubble wrap already inside of it, so I ain't gotta worry about wrapping it with bubble wrap. It do comes with a sealant. You just peel it off, seal it. You ain't gotta worry about licking it or nothing. So that's it for the bubble mailers. So I did also, I got this off of Amazon.com. Also, it is a fur rug, but I think I'm gonna use this is for like when I take pictures either for Instagram or for my website, because I do want to get a pink one, and I'm not sure which one I want to use for the background pictures on my website. I don't know if I want to use the pink one or if I want to use the white one, because the white one, I don't want it to blend too much into my website, so I think I might go with the pink one. But you know, I use this for my product pictures. You can use for anything. So now I did start off with TKB on gloss base, but I will be switching gloss base and I will be using ABA cosmetic supply. I did order 2 bags of the TKB gloss base. This is the 5.5 ounce, and I ordered this to start off my lip gloss journey. So I will be switching brands to ABA Cosmetic Supply. The TKB basic is good also, but that's just who I prefer. But I did use this to make my test gloss. Also the glosses that I was using to make the content on my page before I launch, because I did do a whole bunch of glosses and stuff, you know, just for promo advertising, you know, so that I can get some type of following before I launch my page. So this is the TKB gloss. Next we have a package. Let me see. This one I haven't opened up, but I do believe these are my syringes. When I first started, I did buy some syringes, but it only came with 4 in the pack, and I do got the 60 milliliter syringes. Okay, so this is the 60 milliliter syringes. I'm not gonna open it all the way up, but hopefully, you know, you can see it through this one, because I still have 2 20 milliliter syringes left, because I ordered those and some of them came with my squeeze tubes, and I also got one more 60 milliliter. So I'm not gonna open these up yet. I was just showing you guys. This is the 10 pack, I believe. Yeah, this is the 10 pack, and this should last me for a while. So let me see. So we also have our pipettes. The pipettes, you know, you stick it to the end of the syringe. I ordered it. This should last y'all a while, you know. So this one has 100 in it. This how much I have left, you know, prepping, doing promo, advertising. So this is what I have left from doing that. So I'm pretty sure 100 of these are gonna last you a while if you're just starting your business. And let's see, we got one more package from Amazon, and I believe this is the peach flavoring oil. Now I had to get a big one of this one because I believe this is gonna be our best seller. So here you go. You know, this is our peach flavoring oil. I'm not sure if the camera goes zoom in on that, but this is the peach flavoring oil, because we do have a flavored lip gloss that's called Southern Peach. So it is going to be peach flavored, and it's also going to be infused with coconut oil. So yes, so now you got our flavoring oil. So you guys, that is all of my packages. That's going to be the end of this unboxing haul. I do have more packages coming in. So, I'm not going to make a separate video, but what I'm going to do is I do plan on shooting a vlog. I'm not sure if that vlog is going to be on grand opening day or it's going to be at the grand opening day when I start doing my orders. But I do plan on shooting a video because I want to record my whole journey starting off my business. So again, it's Lady O'More. I want to thank you guys for watching. Share, subscribe, click the like button. So now I want you guys to, I'm gonna do a thumbnail picture, so hold on. I don't know. I'm gonna see. This is my first time editing videos, y'all. So that first video I upload, I ain't really edit like that. So I'm gonna do this one. Alright, you guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, it's Gapster. My store will be open June the 1st, 2020. So make sure y'all looking out for my store to open. Right now, I will be only selling handmade lip gloss, and we're going to start on lunch off with 4 different flavors. Right now, I am wearing Crystal over with just some lip liner. Crystal is going to be a clear lip gloss. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you also ring the bell so you can know when I upload. You don't want to be missing out on this. So thank you guys, and thanks for watching.